If you're facing performance issues in Windows 11, here are 3 small tips that might help. The first one has to do with power plans. So let's start the Windows Start menu and look for Power Plan. And I'm going to choose a power plan. For me, I only have one power plan, which is called Balanced, and we're going to change the plan settings. Here I'll click on Change Advanced Power Settings, and the setting that might help with performance is Processor Power Management. So for the minimum, it doesn't really matter what you choose, but the important thing is that for the maximum, you have 100%. So if here you have anything different than 100%, change it so it will be 100%. And once you're done, click on OK. The second tip has to do with drives optimization. So let's look for drives. And we want the option that says defragment and optimize drives. For me, I only have one drive, and that's the drive where the operating system is installed. So this is the important drive, and this is the drive that we want to optimize. So let's choose it, then click on Optimize. And we can see that now its current status is OK. The third tip has to do with appearance. So once again, let's open the Windows Start menu, and this time we're going to look for Appearance. And I'll choose the option that says Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. As you can see, by default, the option that's selected is Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. We're going to change it to Adjust for Best Performance. It does mean that some animations won't be displayed, and it may cause Windows to not look as fancy. But on the other hand, it might provide you with a small performance boost.